This is Pinky Poopa. And yes, it's the time that you meet my friends. This is Melanie.
Angel Music 718.
Amanda. Maggie. And Carolyn.
Carolyn's feet.
Carolyn's feet. Yes.
Oh, well.
Do you guys want to say something?
No.
Come on. Somebody say something.
Carolyn shouldn't hide.
Oh, Marley. Hello.
Oh my gosh, look at that hamster!
What? Oh, don't take me like an
That's
idiot.
really sad. It's like,
What? Where?
No, I would turn for that.
Exactly.
I had the camera time for that. Okay, so we just want to be random. That's why I made a YouTube account. So everyone say goodbye.
So
Goodbye, you scrumptious left guards.
What did you say? What did you say?
You heard me. I said goodbye, you scrumptious left guards.
Yes, we're weird, but goodbye.